Are you tired of constant rejection in life? Job interviews, relationships, or even friendships? It may not be just bad luck. In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to use Clove as a spiritual shield for protection and to break the cycle of rejection in your life. If you're seeking divine protection, if you want to be covered from negative energy, this is a video you must not skip. This isn't just another remedy. This is spiritual warfare, guided by faith, powered by intention. And if you've been rejected time after time in relationships, jobs, even in school admissions, stay with me till the very end. I'll be revealing secrets you won't hear anywhere else. May God bless you as you watch. Make sure to hit that subscribe button so you never miss a message that might change your life. Also, please like this video. It helps others find it too. As mentioned earlier, this is a spiritual guide to help you activate protection using Clove. Clove is powerful, but your faith is the fuel that activates its energy. Your belief in God Almighty is essential. Invite His presence into everything you do. You must tell God, I cannot do this on my own. I rely fully on you. That surrender makes all the difference. No ritual works if your heart is not right. Cleanse your heart before your hands. Make sure your heart is pure. Do not live a double life, seeking God's help while hurting others. Treat people with kindness. Be generous. Especially after spiritual work, give even if it's a little. This opens doors. Giving activates your blessings. You'll need clove sticks, not the powder this time. As seen on the screen, Clove is known to break spiritual blocks, remove curses, and end rejection. Pray with the clove in your hand. Say, God, forgive me, cleanse my soul. Let this clove carry divine power. If you want protection, pray for it. If you're aiming to eliminate rejection, say it clearly. Let your prayer be focused and faith-filled. Believe it is already happening. Rinse your clove sticks, then place 1 to 2 tablespoons into 1 liter of water in a pot or pan. Let it boil slowly for 10 to 15 minutes. As it simmers, stir and observe the water changing to a brownish color. That's your cue to turn off the heat. Allow it to cool. Once cooled, pray over it again. Speak your desires clearly. When ready to use, pour a portion into your bath water. You may use the entire solution if you prefer a full cleanse. Do not use soap or sponge, just this sacred water. While pouring it on yourself, speak life. Say, God, remove every form of negativity. Break every chain. Visualize your chains falling. See the rejection lifting. Feel your energy shift as you bathe in power. Speak out what you want: protection, freedom from attack, favor in relationships, open doors. Clove isn't just an herb, it's a weapon when used in faith. Stay focused. Don't get distracted during the process. You can perform this any day, but nighttime or early morning is most powerful. If you're on your period, wait until it's over. Don't meet your partner right before or after doing this. Cleanse spiritually before you begin. After your spiritual work, give something. Bless someone. It helps manifest what you've prayed for. Then wait. Do not rush God. Trust His timing. Live righteously as you wait. Good things will find you. When you do this rightly, with sincerity and faith, God will show up for you. You'll stop being rejected. You'll walk in power and protection. So go on, try it. May God bless you and answer your heart's cry. If you found this video helpful, please like and share it. Someone else may need it right now. Don't forget to subscribe to join our spiritual family. I'll see you in the next one. Stay protected and stay blessed.